Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my makeup. I'm going to take everything out of these two drawers. I'm going to wipe everything down. I'm also going to be wiping down every single makeup product to make sure everything is nice and clean, and then we're going to reorganize everything. My lip products might stay in the same drawer. They're usually in this top drawer right here, and I'm probably going to keep them in there, but I'm thinking I'm going to do lipsticks in that one. In here, I want to do blushes and bronzers, and then right here, I want to do highlights. I wish I could put them all into one drawer, but I don't think they're going to fit because I have so many. So at least they'll be close to each other within these two drawers. And then over here on this side, I want this to be all my palettes. I kind of want them to be all on my top drawer so that I can get to them easily. And then right here, I think I'm going to do the rest of my eye stuff, like eyeliners and brow products and stuff like that. And then right here, I want to do my base products. And this is going to be a time-lapse video because I know it's going to take a while for me to get all of this done. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, real quick, I just want to show you what I'm using. This is just vinegar that I diluted with water and I use it to clean. Then I have some rags here that I'm going to be using to clean with. And then I also have this orange essential oil. If you guys didn't know, this is great to remove sticky stuff like sticky price tags on makeup and stuff like that. So I'm going to keep this here just in case I need it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start putting my makeup back. My lip stuff is going to go in this first top drawer on the right. And I already know that I want to have 4 different sections for bullet lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, and lip liners. So I'm going to try and figure out what containers would work perfect in here. These are the 2 that I used before. Maybe I'll just use them again for my lips. So I'm going to put my lip glosses in here. And then I'll put liquid lipsticks in here and bullet lipsticks in there. Let's see how that goes. I think I'll put these here and then my liners here. I just have so many products. I just have so many products. Okay, that works better actually. But not here, just put it here. And then right there. Yeah, that works. Okay, so I think that's gonna be what's gonna work out for now. So I have lip glosses here, my chapstick here, bullet lipsticks here, liquid lipsticks here, and then my lip liners. So I think that worked out pretty good. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, so in here I'm gonna put bronzers and blushes. And I already had them organized with these. So I think I'm gonna do that again because I really like how it was laid out. So let me grab those real quick. Let's see. Okay, so I think that worked out pretty good. I have bronzers here and then blushes here. And then on the side here, I put my cream contours. So I think that worked out pretty good. So let's move on to highlighters. Okay, so this bottom drawer is going to be highlighters. And I think I'm going to use one of these big white containers. Alright guys, so this is just going to be my highlighter drawer. I might put something else in here later on, but I'm not sure what else would go with highlights. So I'm just going to leave those there for now. Alright, so now on to the right side of my vanity. I have this top drawer and I want to put all of my eyeshadow palettes in it. I kind of want them all to stand upright. So I'm going to see if I'm able to do that. Let me grab my biggest palettes first and make sure that they can stand upright while closing. And they can. So that's good. And I have all my Anastasia palettes. Okay guys, I think that worked out perfectly and now I can see all my palettes when I open this up. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. I can see everything. Unlike before when I used to have them piled up on top of each other, I wasn't able to see all the palettes at once. So I really like how this turned out. Now the next drawer, I think I'm going to put my single shadows and then everything else that I use on my eyes like mascara, eyeliners, eye primers, and things like that. Okay, so I want to have different containers to separate everything. So I'm going to use these thin containers and figure out how I can organize it. Okay, so that seems to work. So now I'm going to start filling it up. Okay guys, so this is this drawer. I put all my lashes and my lash glue here. All of my eyeliners and my eye bases are in here. Both pencil and liquid liners. And then my mascaras are here. Eye primers are over here. And then this is my brow stuff in the back. So that worked out really well. The only thing is that I have a bunch of single shadows like this. And they didn't fit in there. So I think I'm going to put all of these with the highlighters over here, where I have that extra space, and I think they'll fit perfectly there. It's not ideal, but since I don't have any room in my eyeshadows or in here, I'm just going to have to put them in there for now. Alright, so this is going to fit perfectly in here, so I'm going to close up all my single shadows. So I have this palette that has all my singles, so I'm just going to set this on top. But that worked out pretty good. I have all my Super Shocks here. I have this little Anastasia palette with Makeup Geek single shadows in it. And then I have a bunch of other single shadows. So I'm just going to stick this on top, and that'll be that for that drawer. So this final drawer here on the bottom is going to be for primers, foundations, concealers, and setting powders, as well as setting sprays. I only have a couple containers left. So let's see what we can figure out here. Okay guys, so this is this drawer. I put all my foundations, primers, and setting sprays here. Concealers are right here in this middle section. And then right here are my powders. They didn't all fit right here, so I put some here in the back. And then these are my face palettes that also have some setting powders in them. These are the only containers that I have left, so that worked out pretty good. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Cleaning my makeup products took way longer than I expected, so that pretty much took the whole day, but I did get everything done. And I love the way it turned out, and I'm so excited because now I have a fresh, clean, organized little area to do my makeup. I love organizing and cleaning right before the new year because it just makes me feel so good to start off the year organized and with only the things that I want. You guys saw that I did that declutter series, so I got rid of some makeup that I didn't want anymore. So everything that's in these drawers now are things that I want to use